MP3 Google Analytics Advanced Accounts, focusing on identify and optimize poor performing pages. While most optimization for the pages on your website are straightforward, such as matching landing page URLs for visitors' intent, advertising messages aligned with page content, and fixing broken links, the question arises, which pages should you optimize and how? Especially if your site has more than a few pages. Take note, as we continue, it is required that you have set up a goal with the funnel. Google Analytics has various resources and reports to help you with optimizing your pages that underperform. A few from an extensive list that we'll look at are the dollar index values, top landing pages, i.e. bounce rates, funnel visualization. We'll focus on dollar index values. The method of calculating it is shown here. It is equal to e-commerce revenue plus total goal value divided by number of unique page views for a given page. If page Z is viewed by visitors that go on to achieve a goal, the value of that goal counts towards the value of page Z. The dollar index is derived from how often a transaction is completed or goal is reached when a specific page is accessed during a visit. The dollar index will give a value to that page calculated based on the value of the goal reached, keeping in mind that these pages ideally are part of your funnel path and contributing to your goals set, which ultimately leads to revenue. To view your website's default dollar index values, click on Content, Top Content Report, and sort by the dollar index column by clicking the heading. You will see your most valuable pages. Pages defined as your goals are included and will always be your highest. Therefore, you should remove these by using an inline report filter. These give you the most valuable pages, as shown in this image. Those pages not related to your goals with a high index value indicate an issue with your website content or structure. The question becomes, why are they worth more than the pages in your funnel? Your expected path in creating your funnel may be flawed, or page issues need to be addressed. Here we see the navigation summary link, and it reveals the visitor's previous and next pages viewed, i.e. how they got to that page and where they went next. The entrance paths link reveals visitors who started their visit on the selected page, which pages they viewed next, and on which page they finished their visits. Let's take a live look in Google Analytics at these two particular links and how they function. We begin at the dashboard, and as we led up to already, we clicked on the content link on the left panel. This winds up by default on the content overview, and on the right hand side down in the middle section here we see navigation summary and entrance paths, both lending information towards the $ index value for your website on particular pages. Let's go ahead and click on the navigation summary link. And as we see, it funnels in on the left to the right, as you see in the gray middle portion here. I have 87% entrances, 13% previous pages, and 33% X's as a result, 66 next pages. If we choose a different page, we see those percentages change accordingly. So this really shows you the flow, allows you to match it up with your funnel, and allow you to give the appropriate $ index value to particular pages as you incorporate them into your funnel ideally. And you see the visitor pattern on your website, making those fine-tune adjustments as needed. From here you can actually go directly to a drop-down menu. You can do entrance paths. Here we've already chosen for content, pull down the storage page, and then of course it gives us these listing of these pages. We click on that, and then it'll give us information off to the right. So you will set up your site ideally, and as part of your funnel, if these particular pages are in fact, yours should reflect accordingly. If they don't, you can take appropriate action on them. You should review pages with both low and high $ index values. Begin the process by choosing your highest and lowest 10 pages by $ index value. When these have been optimized, work inward to the next set of 10 highest and lowest pages by $ index. Today we covered identify and optimize poorly performing pages. For more information on any item in the series, email Massimo at mpaolini.com.